Here's the crudely potted with silicone 400 VA Toroid kit. The silicone idea was to reduce the audible noise because it was really, with the hand-wound turns, it was quite noisy under load. And the silicone, I didn't do a measurement, but it's probably improved it about 10 dB. But it's still pretty noisy under load, as you'll hear. I'll just touch my 10 ohm load here. Drawing about 1.5 amps. Very interesting. You can hear the noise build up and then die out again. And that got me thinking, hang on, I've got a very crude half-wave rectifier here. And that probably causes the transformer to magnetize because it's only being loaded in 1/2 of the cycle. And I'm no transformer expert, but I'm thinking that might be the issue. I did the half wave just to have a really lousy waveform for testing the that DC to DC buck boost converter. But let's try it again in full wave mode, and any money, okay, not any money, but I'll bet you something that will have much lower audible noise once I've done that. Okay, I've rejigged the beautiful rectifier and filter here to full wave mode, and I'm going to apply the load and we'll see what happens. Wow. Sure enough, dead silence. Dead quiet. 1.66 amps now. That's incredible. Yeah, okay. We've learned something about transformers today. Don't use half-wave rectification. We already knew that, but now we have another reason. Excellent. I didn't really need to pot it, but I'm glad I did. It was a learning experience.